Hello there. Let's see how we can add the sending servers to warm up. First, if you want to add any sending servers to the warm up IP, first you need to choose the good pricing. Like as I have explained in the introduction that about the pricing, you need to find the which one actually fit your requirements and how many credits you want to send, all this stuff. Usually, you need to send at least 5,000 to 10,000 emails, warm-up emails, minimum per day, 1,100 to 1,500 to achieve the high domain reputation like this. So that's minimum requirement you need to do this. And then let's see, now you have two plans. One is you can buy the credits, and these are lifetime credits. Once you buy, you can use them, or you can go for monthly plans. So in the introduction, I have explained like in the monthly plan, you can send 1,100 emails every day, 2,500 emails every day, 6,000 emails every day. And we give you, if there are cases where you can't get your SMTP into our system, we will be creating SMTP on your domain to warm up only, not to send your real emails. Okay. So you can read here the notes. And if you have any queries, you can book an appointment with us. Like it certainly is going to help you understand better the system. So once you have a certain plan purchase and then go to the warm-up servers to add the servers, we are introducing even Amazon SES and SendGrid and Mailgun and other servers. But until you can use SMTP, this is a custom SMTP you can enter and you can connect to the anything Amazon SMTP or SendGrid or any custom SMTPs you can connect. If you would like to warm up your G Suite or Office 365, G Suite is simple. First, you need to go to your Gmail, all settings, enable this forward pop IMAP, all this stuff. And then if you bought from us, it's very simple. You just enter the email ID. You will see, if you bought the G Suite, Gmail and all here. The reason we have an option here, you can buy the mailboxes from us as well, from the licenses. And if you want to buy, a bulk, just let us know. You will get a less price. If you have yours, your only stuff, you can watch the videos here. And then you have to enter this client ID scope. Click here, it will take you to the proper a page where you need to add all this stuff. Once you add all this stuff and click the next, and then you can import even 1,000 mailboxes at one go, 10,000 mailboxes at one go. And it is same with Microsoft Word as well. Same like you have to do a couple of configurations. If you have bought from the warm-up Microsoft, it's easy. And we have a Microsoft Word as well. Your simple, any of your emails also you can warm up. And if you bought already Office 365 from your Microsoft console, you need to enter all these configurations and then client ID, all this stuff, and then hit the next, and then you can import all mailboxes there in this account. And then if it is SMTP, it is as simple as that. You have to feed all this information and like the server and SMTP username, all this stuff, and SMTP code, and you have to enter this thing is must like SSL at TLS. Once it's done, just hit the test connection. Once the test connection is valid, you need to literally send the test email. Before that, to send the test email, first copy your from email address. Put your from email address here, and then to email address and subject content, and hit the send button. So you have to make sure this email is sent successfully, and then only you have to go back and start the warm up. Like you have to make sure the name given here, from email address, and custom tracking domain, if any. So you can add from the configuration, you can add the tracking domains and replay to addresses that I have explained in the configurations. You can go and tracking domains, you can add as tracking domains here. Simply you click here and choose the HTTPS or HTTP and then subdomain and the main domains. And then you can add tracking here, URLs, as simple as that. So for example, track and type the WarmupIP.com, just hit the save, and then it gives you a CNAME. Just add the CNAME like I'm going to show you. So you will be having CNAME like this. You need to add this to the CNAME. And reply to address is also same. So don't worry if you have any problems onboarding, just let us know. We will help you to onboard all this stuff. Thank you. And just remember, make sure that you're entering the SSL or TLS, depends upon your some customer security encryption. and then you have to give a from name and this letter. After once you enter all this stuff, and then you can come back, you can see your SMTP under the add warmup SMTPs servers, and then you can go here, and then you can go to the settings. You can create your template using AI, simple text, or the HTML. HTML here, you need to upload the HTML file that you can actually create a new HTML here, or else you can do it, uploading here itself by clicking on update the template. You can see here upload file, or else if you have any templates which you created under the email templates, you can see them here. It's as simple as that.